We're currently on a hotel site that's being constructed. It's been here for a period of time under renovation. This site is about 170 rooms thereabouts, and the site next door is around 170 rooms as well. That's a new construction. Each hotel room has a suite panel, and within that we carry all of the services for power and communication on the racks. We chose Fast Trak for this project because of the speed of installation. It's reduced our labour immensely. We're down to 1 or 2 people to install the 60-70 hangers that we use per floor.
This is the first time I've ever used Fast Trak on a site. I've used Ready Rod and stuff before, and it takes a long time, it's complicated, but I find with this it's quick and easy. Anchors are already in, you put it up, slides right on, you can use an impact, a ratchet, all works really, really well. Really, you can have one, we had 4 guys going at one point, and all we had was a central area with the racks, and we were just going, hopping each other, and it was so fast. We had this done in less than an afternoon. Probably at least, we do 4 a minute, really. It doesn't slow you down. If there's more people, it doesn't slow you down if there's just one.
I met Chris a few years ago because he walked in the office and asked for 5 minutes of my time. He indeed come to the site, brought the product, opened up the truck, opened it up and showed us what we could do, how we could do it, and we picked the product that we use from that point onwards.
So the Fast Trak is version 3, our newest Fast Trak. It also has 2 different size of tracks, and it also has a low profile bracket. It was used because the install is unique. The drywall and roof is longer on one side than the other, and they needed to have more space on one side than the other. So it's a natural fit instead of using traditional methods.
So Fast Trak is so versatile that we actually have a drop ceiling in one of the hallways. So what we've done is use a long one and a short one so that we were able to attach a J-hook to the one side in the drop ceiling, which makes it that much easier. We're not fumbling around in a tight area, we're not dealing with that, so it makes it a lot easier to do. The J-hook gives us the capabilities of actually hooking up the data on the outside of the rack so that it actually has the distance away from the power so that it doesn't affect it. So it's such an easy, convenient way to attach data to it.
We're looking for the next project to use Gripple on. We have no issues with using it. The product's been there, delivery was there, we're ahead of the game. We have a question, we pick up the phone, we get an answer.
It's an hour from my house, so it's a trip to come out here, so I make sure to come out here whenever they have questions, bring the guys lunch, boost morale, and just kind of investigate how they're using a new product.
It's saved us an immense amount of time. It works very well for us. It's tough getting people to change, as opposed to changing for the good. They think it's changing for the bad. We've looked at it as how can we do this quicker? And that's where the product came in.